Good morning, everyone. It is Memorial Day, 9:32, market open. Watching this market rip right now. Trading the NQs this morning. Seeing that we're headed to a supply zone up here. Just adjusting the supply zone here. Just looking to trade, see if we get one or two good opportunities today, and that's pretty much it. I wanted to go long up here, but wanted to see some kind of pullback. Market's just ripping right now, so I'm gonna just let it do its thing. And once we get into the supply zone, I'm looking for shorts. Took it short here before the market opened, and I jumped on shorts right around here. I got stopped out. There we go. We tapped the supply zone. That was what I was looking into, this taking these longs. Once I got stopped out, taking these longs into this 15-minute supply zone up here. Sucks because it would have worked out. Right, looks like it's respecting this supply zone. 15. Want to see some more candlesticks here because we did go up very aggressively. So I want to see some kind of weakness from the buy side before I go short. These are two very bullish candlesticks here going up. So we could see more upside to this move. Let's see what's gonna do. Just gotta be patient here. Market's been going up all through the night, and it hasn't made any big pullbacks. So we could expect a reversal, maybe after we run these highs. This previous resistance here. Let's go back to 15. And I'm gonna mark up the very high because I want to see if we're sweeping liquidity and then turning around. Go. I want to try a quick long here. Then we got one more push up before we complete the reverse. It's gonna be a very tight stop on this one, very tight. I think we got one more push to the upside before we go down. Very tight stop on this one. Trading a take profit trader challenge account right now at the moment. Normally trading micros, but dabbling into some NQs, just one contract on the NQs. See if this plays out. See that we double topped here into this supply zone, but I'm thinking market might be searching liquidity, so we might sweep this high over here. Got a very strong move up. There's a very strong likelihood of some continuation to the upside. We're gonna get stopped out here. Take a small loss, maybe. Let's see, looks like it wants to come down. I'll just, if it does pull back a little bit further and it pushes back up, I'll jump back in those longs. I do think we want to sweep this previous high here from the 15. From this couple days ago, these highs over here. Very strong uptrend from overnight. Noticing we had some resistance here. We got broke past it, just keep going up. Now if we got strong buyers pushing from here into the supply zone, let's see, hopefully we can get strong push all the way up there. Get up to 1 and 2 if we can. Get 1 and 2. If it does work out. Alright, let's stop down that one. Down. Take it. That's the loss there. 25. No worries, no worries. We can come up with that. Just gonna be trading just for about 30 minutes today. It's gonna be a short one. Oh, don't tell me now we're going up. I think I might try another long here. Let's see. You know what? I'll wait on that because we're sitting right at this resistance level right here on the ES. It's not looking good right there for me. Guess we could go ahead and mark our 15-minute range. Alrighty, I just got stopped on that trade right there. I thought we was gonna go a little bit higher here on the Qs. Was looking to target these highs up here. Where is it? I was looking to target these highs up here, and it looked like we had very strong momentum going here. Just looking for a continuation. It's a bullish market. Oh wow, now it's going up. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set this trend line here. Probably got some kind of bull fog, possibly. Take a look at the ES here. What we're doing here. Could see some kind of bullish movement here coming down into this breaker block. The ES definitely looking weaker today. We broke overnight highs here on the Qs, but we didn't break overnight highs here on the ES. Off. All right, now we just gotta be patient here, wait for something. Something to happen here. Liking this reaction here. Let's break the block. Gonna wait for this candle to print on the 2-minute. Might give this a shot. Might give this a shot here. See if we can hold above this support right here. It's a previous area of support. Support it here, here, here. We hold above. I'm looking for them longs. Stop loss below this this low right here. Like in this hammer candle here forming. Yo, what? Oh, there we go. I thought for a second it wasn't gonna get me in, but it did. Let's see if we can get this next push up here. We did have a break of structure here on the Qs. Right. Break of structure. Fair value gap there. There's a break of block there as well. Really liking this setup. Got a fib level here. It's reacting right up the 0.618. Very good setup here. Hopefully this works out. Should get a nice push up here into these, back into the supply zone. I think I might add one more. I'll add one more. This second contract, I'm gonna tighten up the risk on this one, on the second contract. Very tight stop on that second contract, just to manage my risk a little better. Right, we're in a bullish market, overall bullish. We got a break of structure. We got a pullback to the silver value gap, breaker block, 0.618 on the fib. All right, we got multiple things letting us know. All right, this could be a good bottom zone right here. See, oh, don't stop my runner. There we go. Beautiful. Come on. Where my buyers at? I think I might give this just a little bit more room. So there. That's it. We could target this high up here. We're in trouble, guys. We're in trouble. Oh wow. Of course. Nasty. Nasty, nasty cues. I think this might be my last trade. Come on, man. Where my buyers at? Oh wow, now they want to show up. Come on, push this up. Push this up. Let's see. Hopefully we get a nice close here on the 5-minute. Would like to see. Would like to see how this candle closes on the 5-minute. I usually don't like these setups buying after tapping into a supply zone. This is a 15-minute. Let me show you guys real quick. This is a 15-minute supply zone from last week. And I typically don't like to buy after tapping into a supply zone, but seems like it might be a good setup here. We got support at these lows right here. Hoping the support holds. We gotta break the block here as well. That's my reason for buying in this market. Got stopped out there. Good morning, guys. What's up, Ness? Okay, so yep, that breaker block did not work out too well. Like I said, I don't really like taking these kind of setups after tapping into a supply zone because they often tend to fail. But seeing that the market was so bullish and we just broke structure, I was thinking that we could sweep the high of this supply zone, and I was kind of aiming for us to go up here. The sellers are very strong after tapping into that supply. So here we are. Here we are. Let's take a look at what the ES is doing. We're down into support. Could break below here. Very slow market today, guys, so I'm not gonna stay here too long. I'm just looking to see if I can scope out a couple good opportunities in the market today. So I want to see SPY or ES. I would like to see ES break and retest, and then we could target this low. The Qs should probably got something similar. All right, so we can target. This could be like target 1. This could be target 2. that, we'll have to see some kind of a strong move, pullback, something like that. We'd love to see this pullback go into this where I took the long, so I would like to see resistance at this breaker block. That'd be cool. Or if we could get it down here below the opening range, I would take that as well as a short. Is anybody doing some trading today? Any of you guys? Yeah, it's still looking like sellers are in control here. So on the Qs, I'd love to see a pullback either to 21 in continuation. Let's see. We're rejecting the low of the 15 range. 15-minute range on the ES. Could not close below it. And now close below it. Slow market today, man. Very slow. Let's see. Pop the 100 tick. I'm using the 100 tick time frame here to get my entries. It's a much faster time frame than the 2-minute, but usually gets me very good entries here. Had that little pullback to the 21 I was looking for. If we get a strong close here, I'll try some shorts. Beautiful. Try some shorts here. As long as we stay below this order block right here, should be good to go. We got this order block right here. As long as we can stay below it, I should be good. Right. I'm no longer looking for a continuation to the upside because we've already come down drastically since reaching the supply zone. And if you use your Fibonacci retracement, you will know, right? You will know that the chances of this going up is usually by the time it hits the 0.618, then it starts to turn around. It usually doesn't turn around by the time it hits here, then it's usually just going to continue lower. So my goal now is just to stay on these shorts. As long as we stay below the 21 EMA here on the 2-minute time frame, we can stay below the 21 EMA. I can still hold these shorts. Still hold these shorts. Right, can we stay below? This is a very slow, very small pullback. You can see buyers are very weak. So this is another reason why I'm looking for continuation to the downside. Now, if we was pulling back more like this, right? Look at these green candles, then I wouldn't be looking to buy, to sell. But it was looking very weak here, going into the 21. As long as we stay below the 21 here on the 2-minute, I'm still good. Yeah, it helps me to find these kind of rules to go by when I'm in a trade to help me control my risk. Using the 21 and 200 EMA is very useful to incorporate into your rules. Right? For example, I can say, okay, if we stay above the 200, maybe I'll go long. So you can, if you were looking for longs for some reason, not that I'm looking for longs right now, but if you were looking for long, you could say, okay, I'm entering long here. You can put your stop right below the 200 EMA or something like that. So I like to use often the 21 and the 200 EMA as a rule to, if it stays below, okay, I know price will continue lower, just like we see it respecting it here, right? Once it crosses it, I'm no longer interested in those shorts. Real quick. This is a tough spot right here to be in. when you get the 21 and the 200 kind of squeezing together, it's usually often when there's a big move coming. I think I'm gonna give this just a little bit more space here. Let's see. Give it just a little bit more space here, because we could sweep this high too. All right, another thing that price could do here is sweep this high, come up, sweep this high, and then continue lower. So that's why I'm giving it a little bit more space. It's very important to be flexible in this market, because today's market is very choppy, and you have to sometimes give your trade a little bit more room, and if that means you have to lower your risk, then you lower your risk. But yeah, it's just good to give it some room to play out. So we don't know exactly what price is going to do, but it's just a bad situation when you get stopped out and then it goes in your favor, like it did with me on, what was it, Friday? Oh yes, I like that. I'm gonna go ahead and add one more contract there. I like this reaction right here. Right, but now I got two contracts, right? It's 2 and 2 contracts, and that's a lot of risk. So what I'm gonna do is it's the same thing I did earlier, where I sold one contract at a much tighter risk, right? Much tighter, and then I left the second one out a little bit further, because holding both of these all the way up here, I might lose like over $500, right? But whenever I see strength, I like to add when I see strength, either on the buy side or the sell side, depending on what kind of play I'm on. But if I see strength, I typically like to add maybe 1 or 2 contracts early, and then I quickly take profits as it starts to push. But we saw strength here and then immediately reverse. So this is a very good indication that price will probably go up here next and then come down, because what they do is what the market likes to do is try to bait short sellers. And now we got these previous area of resistance where traders are normally going to put their stops here and here. So what it's likely to do is bait you into taking shorts, and then immediately after you take the set shorts, then it immediately goes up, stops you out, and then goes in your favor. And I see this most often with the NQ than with the ES. The ES doesn't do it so much. The ES not so much. But the NQ, it does it on a daily basis. When you trade these stocks, it's like kids, like they have personalities. You know, it's like one stubborn, right? The NQ is kind of stubborn, where like it's gonna stop you. It's gonna give you the clear entry where you would normally take your position, and then it'll immediately go to your stop. Whereas the ES is more like obedient. It's gonna follow its rules. You know, support. It's gonna support, resistance. It's gonna hold for the sellers. So it tends to be respect what you see on the charts. When like look at the NQs, it's more like a liar. You know what I'm saying? Slice you guys. There we go. We got a good trade here going in our favor. I can take some profits down at these lows. I'll take one here. And hopefully we can push past the 15-minute low. Come on, flush this. It would be nice if they flush at least to this level of this liquidity zone right here. Would be sweet. This is definitely my last trade of the day. Market's gonna close anyways in a couple hours. So I'm not looking to stay here too long. It held pretty nicely below the 21 EMA here as well. Just not liking these buyers here at the low of the 15. Hoping this candle here closes weak on the buy side. Come on. Yeah, today's market I think is best just for quick scalps. I'm just going to, you know, although I'm not even looking for some kind of home run trade, it's really not that far off to these liquidity zones. Seeing that the market's selling off after the strong push up. But yeah, this market's just tricky to trade. Sometimes it's just best to be in and out immediately. That's right. Good, good, good. Holding below the 21. Holding below. I think I might end up bringing this stop lower or together. Let's see. Come on, stay below. Come on. Wants to rip. She wants to rip. Sweep these highs. It's going for the stops. I think I might just go ahead and sell this one contract here. I'll just let it be. I'll just let it be. But yeah, we're breaking above the 21 here. This is what I didn't want to see. It's not what I'm looking for. It's very tricky too. Like, look how strong this candle is. It's very misleading, right? It's happening below the 21. It's breaking past the 200 EMA. Right? This is basically screaming, all right, we're gonna see continuation. There should be continuation. Or at least there's a high chance of continuation. There's no promises in this market. Like I said, it's very tricky, very choppy. But this candle is screaming, right? There is definitely continuation coming, like, to the downside. And especially the position of it, right? Right, being we got a bear flag here. You got a bear flag. Strong, very extremely strong selling, breaking out of this bear flag, and now we get immediately a pullback. It's weird. I know that 15-minute low probably got something to do with it. Probably a little minor demand zone here as well, because we broke these two levels of resistance here and here. So that makes this a bit of a demand zone down here. So this last green candle will be my order block. Ooh, that was close. It almost stopped me out there. Come on, this could still work. It still work. Break and retest of the flag. Come on now. Don't let me down. Don't let me down. No bueno, man. No bueno. It's the ES saying. The ES still here. It's below the 21 EMA as well. Come on, are sellers in or are y'all out, yo? It's 10:30. Trying to hit the gym, yo. Come on. Oh yeah, one more red candle they're here and this should flush. They should flush now. They should flush now. Come on. You know what? I'm gonna go big here. I think I want to add one more. Yeah, like that close. I would have wanted this to close below that candle. Alright. Ooh! Ooh! Oh shit! Wait, dang! Are you serious? Are you serious? You gonna do me like that? Come on. Come on, let's go. Yo, this market's crazy, yo. What the hell? What? Bro. Alright, I'm gonna trail here now. I have plenty of... Come on. You gotta sweep that low, though. You gotta sweep that low, though. Are you not gonna sweep? You gotta sweep that low, though. Come on now. Jesus, that thing just popped. Come on, we're not gonna sweep this low right here. So close. Not liking this. Not liking this double bottom around here. Not liking it at all. And it happened so fast I couldn't like really follow up with it. Come on. We'll give this thing some room. We'll give it some room. That's it. Come on now. Come on now. That's it. Being super patient here, man. It's crazy. Trust me, I wanted to take profit down there, but hell yeah, let's go. We're going for this low right here. Right below the 40s. Come on now. Sellers, y'all got this, yo. Shit, I'm starting to see that we do have an area of support here. We have range. There we go. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Bring it home, sellers. Bring it home. Beautiful. Beautiful. You know what? I'm going to go ahead and I might just take another profit here. Or should we thug it out? What do you guys think? Thug it out? Take profit or thug it out? Let me know, yo. Do we thug it out? Wait to sweep that low? Wait to sweep this low? What do y'all think, yo? What do y'all think? Oh shit, there she goes. There she goes. Alright, I'm gonna take one there. Alright, my last contract. When we sweep this low. Yes. I'm gonna trail here. Tight. I'm gonna trail very tight. Oh no, don't stop me out. Come on. Come on. There we go. Alright, I'm out. I'm out. I'm out. Super good. That's what I was looking for. Sweep that low right there. That's it. I'm good. I'm super good, yo. That's it. I'm done for today. I took a couple losses though, so I'm a bit in profit. Did take a few losses. I took like 4 losses, but I made it all back and then some, just with one single trade. So I'm proud of that. And I stuck to my plan here. Stayed in them shorts. As long as we stay below this moving average right here, this broke this flag, we stay below the 21. And my target was to sweep this low right here. We got there, and that's it. Right? Like I said earlier, I like to add on strength. So I like to see strength on the sell side. So looking here at the 100-tick time frame. This was our, where was it? This was our bear flag here. Okay, that was our bear flag. We got a break and retest. I added here, so we're going lower. Let me see if I can show you. Yeah, there we go. So I entered here. I entered short here. I added some here. And then I added one more here. And we took profit here, here, and here. That's it. Hope you guys learned something valuable there. This could continue lower too. I don't know, but I'm gonna call it there a day. Take my ass to the gym and get my day started today, man. Memorial Day weekend. Hope you guys enjoy your rest of your day. Thanks for joining. All right, later. Peace.